Shantae, this is Brandon here with Tameron Hyundai. Just wanted to reach out to you really quick with a quick walk around video of the new 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe that you inquired about. You see I've got one right here behind me on the showroom floor, so let's take a look at it. Now it's been completely redesigned for 2019 with all new LED wraparound daytime running lights and headlights up in the front. You've also got alloy wheels with nitrogen-filled tires and blind spot detection standard on side view mirrors. Now let's take a look on the inside. Now on the inside of your Santa Fe, you've got a lot of standard and optional features such as Bluetooth, backup camera, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and a whole lot more. But that's not the best part. One of the best parts about this vehicle is going to be your warranty. You get a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty, as well as a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. And here at Tameron, we exclusively double that for you. 20 years, 200,000 miles at no cost to yourself. So give me a call at 205-613-9458. You're going to love the way it's treated here at Tameron.